G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is June 6, 2023. This is the iron ore price update. You can see here on the weekly, we've broken up into a neutral positioning, likewise on the daily. So to be more extra confident, avoid taking long or short positions until the weekly and a daily align before taking trades on the hourly. Again, looking at the weekly first, it's neutral because the CCI moving averages do not align with the moving averages of the price chart. So it's giving us a neutral signal. And we look at the moving averages on the CCI is 5 and 50, and the moving averages of the price chart are 3, 5 and 60. On the daily, likewise, it's neutral. They don't align. But having said that, we'll look at here, it's broken, it bounced off this key support area at 657, and it's broken up past this minor resistance that was forming at 745. Now it's broken through that, so that resistance will now be removed. So looks at potentially further upside at this point. We did have a bearish divergence on the price chart back here on the daily versus the bullish on the price chart. So the CCI was declining and it kept declining, and likewise at this point the price failed and it broke below this price channel. And the way to place a target there would have been to go for the initial Fibonacci range, which would have been in that area there between the 23% and the 38%. But as you can see, it went as far as the 78%. They don't always go that far. I like to always go for the shortest or the closest target, in this case the 23 to the 38%, to have a better probability of hitting your target. So at the moment it's bouncing up from this key support at 657. On the hourly, you can see there was also a divergence playing out on the hourly. Now, just to remind you, the divergence and the CCIs are independent on every timeline. So the hourly divergence is separate and different and independent to the daily or even the weekly. So in this case, there was a divergence playing out, a bullish divergence on the CCI versus a bearish on the price chart. Again, once that the CCI continues to the upside and the price breaks above that channel, you can see there, we place a target, a entry at that level there. We place an initial target. In this case, we could have put it at 23%, but we gave it a target of 38%. So had you put a target at 23% retracement, you would have been out hitting that target early on. But even at the 38% there, you can see that it fell off, bounced off our support, and it's hitting it currently in the last few hours. And it's currently sitting at that point there since our last update above this descending channel. Also up here I've got a bullish backtest as well as a bearish backtest showing where the average downs, or actually there's only one average down happening on the bearish side, and that was during that uptick of that price during that period there. You would have averaged down. We don't use stop losses. And to avoid those average downs, always trade, as I said, in the direction of the weekly and the daily when they align with the hourly as well, to have a better probability of success. So to understand how to trade this and other trading strategies, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe to my Patreon page, where we also do weekly scans of stocks, currencies and commodities. Subscribe, like and share the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in a future video.